Are you in need of a powerful and versatile cutting option for many different materials? Whether it be composite decking or laminate flooring, to cutting intricate angles in plywood sheets? Well, stay tuned, because we've got you covered right here. Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R90JGS-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw with 5 multi-material blades included. This jigsaw is part of Evolution's family of cordless power tools. First up, you'll notice that this is the cordless model, and what's great is that it's compatible with Evolution's entire battery range, which you can see right here. I'll cover everything from battery life after a rundown of the features of the saw itself. For the effective extraction of dust, there's an integrated dust port situated on the rear of the machine. Simply attach your handy shop vac, like so, for a clean and safe workplace. Make sure that you detach the vacuum before cutting metals with this saw. Moving on to the handle, it has an ergonomic design that has a soft grip, ensuring comfort and control when in use, which is especially handy during that long, repeat sheet material cutting. It's also fitted with the variable speed trigger control, which is pressure sensitive up to 2300 RPM. The trigger lock button is ambidextrous by design, and it's easy to use for both right or left-handed users. The jigsaw comes supplied with an adjustable parallel edge guide, which is a useful aid in cutting and trimming laminate flooring, where accurate parallel cuts are often needed. Removal, or of course installation of the edge guide is easy, enabling a quick return to freehand cutting when needed. Simply slide through, like so, and lock the knob in place to secure. Blade changes are quick and easy on this saw, and can be achieved completely tool-free. The quick release Toolless Chuck gives rapid installation or removal of the blade. To remove your old blade, simply engage the blade release collar, like so, then pull to take out the blade. With the collar button still engaged, take your new blade and insert like so. You'll feel a positive connection and then release the collar to secure the fresh blade in place. You can now effectively cut a wide variety of materials, from flooring, timber, MDF, plastics or sheet metal. The cutting capacity of this jigsaw is up to 90mm thickness in wood. An LED work light has been fitted to the machine to help you with visibility during operation. A great feature that I really like is the air blower. It helps with blowing the dust away from the blade and the working area, helping the user with accuracy of cut by ensuring cutting lines are kept clear and readily visible. Jigsaws normally only move up and down during a cut, so the pendulum dial allows it to move backwards and forwards, creating this circular stroke. This is a great feature to help you when working with thicker and harder materials. It aids in saving both motor and battery life. Moving on to the base plate. On this machine, it's fully adjustable. Simply loosen the locking lever here, and it will loosen the foot plate. Now you can set your bevel angle and lock it back off into place. This can bevel both left and right up to 45 degrees. As you might be able to see, there are positive stops on both sides at 0, 15, 30 and 45 degrees. This will assist you when making bevel cuts in skirting boards, architraves or coving. Evolution Power Tools have designed this jigsaw for use with their 2, 4, 5 and even their 8 amp lithium-ion batteries. All of the batteries in the range will ensure that the jigsaw will be at full torque even on the toughest of cuts. All of the batteries in the range feature Keep Cool technology, which means that they actively manage their temperature during operation. This means that the cells won't overheat. This feature gives more power during operation, a longer runtime and increases your battery life. To swap one out, or when you need to put one on charge, there's a quick release button here to detach from the saw. For charging, there's 2 options. Either this single unit or this double dock charge unit. Once plugged in, you slot in your battery like this, and you can monitor the charge status from the LED indicator here. These chargers are also wall mountable, which is a really handy feature. So there we have it, the Evolution R90JGS-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw with 5 multi-material jigsaw blades included. A great option for woodworking, flooring, decking and much more. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.